Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Meta Quest 2 to Meta Horizon in 2026. So to begin with, your Meta Quest 2 comes with built-in access to the Meta Horizon worlds. So you don't need any external setup or any external connection. So in order to basically get it, first of all, you need to turn on your Meta Quest 2 and make sure that it is connected to Wi-Fi. Then you need to log in into your Meta account as this is required in order to access the Horizon features. Afterwards, you just have to press and hold the Meta button on your controller in order to open the main menu in front of you. Now on the main menu, you need to go to App Library where all of the installed applications are listed. Now, among all the applications, you just have to try to find Meta Horizon Worlds. If it is not installed, you can also download it directly from the Meta Store inside your headset. Now, when you open it for the very first time, you need to follow some of the on-screen instructions to create your avatar and profile. This includes choosing your appearance and setting up your social preferences. So once the setup is completed, you can explore the different worlds. You can join the events and you can even interact with other users. Everything runs directly on your Oculus 2 without needing a PC or any additional devices. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.